CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 3-2. End of transmission.
Marc P880, Mark 21 into clear wards around the back for clear wards around gates for good effect.
Sorry, excuse me. But one thing I want to say is, I do apologize for the last video that I couldn't get the second half of L135-23 because that was on bare tables, so I do apologize for that part. But I just heard a defect when I was coming in here that he had 598 axles. And he passed here about 750. I knew I wanted to catch him here, so I do apologize for that part. I tried better. I'll try my better next time. I would try. Oh, I'm not awake yet. Can we lock it? Don't know.
Hey, East Marc 880, driving.
Oh, I do love the sound of the Jeep 39.
Hey, Mark 21, 2.6 for levels.
I know some of you guys like those, some of those Jeeps. Like the Jeep 39s. I know some of you guys like them. I think some, not all. Well, I don't know if all you guys like them or not. Alright, you guys look good.